Hello everyone, it's Cammy Norris with Alamo City Chevrolet, but enough about me. I'm here to introduce you to someone special, the all-new 2019 Chevy Equinox. They told me to be excited, but I'm thrilled. We added a couple new colors and a new package. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Follow me. If you notice, it still kept the same body style as our 2018s. That's because the 2018 we completely redesigned the vehicle, so Chevrolet decided to give you another year of this body style. They did add the Light Bright package, which will include a chrome front end. You'll upgrade from 17 to 19-inch rims with the sparkle pockets, and then you'll also get the assisted side steps moldings on the side. But not to mention, there's two new colors added, Kinetic Blue Metallic and Pacific Blue Metallic. Now let's check out the trunk. So the Equinox is our mid-size SUV. Perfect family vehicle, seats 5, and these seats actually fold flat. So when you go on those long road trips, you could throw your luggage, you could throw your dog, and you could even throw me, and I'll give you step-by-step directions. No, I'm just kidding. But let me show you the inside. So this particular Equinox has a 1.5 turbo 4-cylinder, but Chevy likes to keep your options open. For example, you can get a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder, or you can get a 1.6-liter turbo diesel. So you have plenty of options to choose from. Keep in mind, this is an LS trim level, so you can get the LT, the Premier, so there's a lot of stuff that you could combine to make your personalized Chevy Equinox. So this is your first-hand look of the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. Fuel efficient, family friendly. Come in, see me. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Remember, when you come in, ask for Cammy Norris. I'll see you soon.